Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to make money on Etsy. First, let's dive into finding your perfect niche. Researching popular digital products, like planners or invitations, is key. Look for areas with high demand but fewer sellers to maximize your potential. Understanding your target audience's needs will guide your design choices, ensuring your creations truly resonate with buyers. This foundational step sets you up for success. Now, let's get creative in Canva. You can leverage its vast template library to design stunning digital products. Remember to customize every element from fonts to colors to reflect your unique brand. Aim for high-resolution designs, ideally 300 dpi, to ensure crisp, professional quality. Canva makes it easy to produce beautiful items, even if you're not a seasoned designer, helping you stand out. Once your designs are ready, it's time to list them on Etsy. Craft eye-catching product mockups to give buyers a clear visual of what they're purchasing. Optimize your listings with strong, keyword-rich titles and tags to improve search visibility. Researching what competitors charge will help you set a competitive price point, ensuring your products are both appealing and profitable for your shop. Finally, let's talk about growing your Etsy business. Promote your shop across social media, especially Pinterest and Instagram, to reach a wider audience. Consider offering special promotions or creating product bundles to entice new buyers and boost your average order value. Regularly review your sales data. It provides valuable insights into what's working well, helping you refine your offerings and scale your success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.